Hello, good morning. It's Monday the 29th. I'm FX Plu and this is the market brief. So tomorrow is the big day, the deadline for any Brexit extension to that DEC 31st endpoint. It's almost certain that nothing will happen and it will leave 6 months to agree on a trade deal. Or, of course, the UK will revert to trading with the EU under WTO rules. And whilst that endpoint may not be a disaster, it will probably be UK companies and especially the SMEs that are affected more by the uncertainty as the talks progress. Chances are we'll see the market slip back to the old mantra where a deal is good news and no deal is bad news for the pound. But of course this time around it's only a subplot to the main story where the UK economy will be fighting back and recovering from the COVID recession. And apparently Sunak is also considering a VAT cut on new cars, which is nice. So if you fancy a new set of wheels for the summer, Sunak's your man. Last week, of course, the market was pretty flat for sterling. We kick off the week just shy of the 124 mark against the dollar, but I think we can expect things to be relatively uneventful ahead of non-farm payrolls from the US this week. On the US calendar this week, we have pending home sales, consumer confidence, manufacturing output, and factory orders. But of course the focus is still very much on jobs data. We've got weekly jobless claims where anything under 1 million new claims is the new target, and ADP will be a precursor to the non-farm payrolls on Thursday. Last month, the market was caught out by a huge spike in non-farm payrolls. The headline number this time around is 3 million, but there is fear of a downward revision to last month's number. We'll be hosting another sweepstake, of course, so start thinking about your guess now. But looking ahead, it's the July and August numbers that could really paint a better picture of the US economy, because once the financial support for furloughed staff is either watered down or withdrawn completely, we could easily see a spike in job losses over there. There's not much to report from the Eurozone. Last week the Euro drifted along as the market waited for any progress on the pandemic relief fund. No great surprise to hear we were left hanging there. And we can expect a similarly quiet start to this week too. The dollar may take the driving seat with the non-farm payroll data, but ahead of that on Thursday, we kick off the week around 112.60 for euro dollar. That's it from me. Hope you have a wonderful week ahead. I'll be back again tomorrow, and if you've got any questions, please pop them in the comments below. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.